Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.